one of the last Sunday summer afternoon, and we are heading out to a friend's place for what?
For a barbecue party.
Okay, and our beloved Jeevar has baked something. Mm, she's not someone who's that much into baking, but she has baked. I don't know if she has baked or
No, this is
cooked.
not baked. It's actually a cold cake.
Hmm.
It's not cake either. It's an Italian dessert. It's called tiramisu.
Hmm.
And also barbecues are quite common in Germany. It's a culture that people have here. They don't like to cook or spend long hours in the kitchen, so that's why generally they arrange barbecues where you just grill stuff and eat by yourself.
Yeah, someone who organizes, they just arrange the flame, and you have to get your own stuff to eat, drink, and sometimes they have something like alcohol or something like that.
Yeah, but
Since we
since we are
do not drink,
Indians and it's not part of our culture to make our guest get stuff, my friend has arranged almost everything, considering vegetables and some snacks. So we don't have to take ideally anything. This is our gesture to take some sweet along, and we will just have to grill them on the barbecue and eat.
one station has been closed for the past 2 months.
And now it is such a relief that it's finally open, but you can still see some construction site. They are still working on it. Tiramisu for Dharme.
This is a traditional barbecue place. Unlike the modern gas or electric ones, we are using coal for cooking today. Something I've seen in my childhood
ये
too.
पटेल भाई ये देना ज़रा ये हाँ
थोड़ा गीला है क्या?
कुछ कुछ है पर
कुछ कुछ है वो
पर कुछ कुछ मैंने वो वाली ड्राई की सुन ली है पर कुछ कुछ है गीली।
बट ये कार्डबोर्ड ही है क्या? गत्ता जैसा है क्या ये?
हाँ वो
पहले दूसरा होता था लिक्विड वो वाइट कलर का ना
Had to use some jugaad to sustain the flame. Once we started the flame, cleaned the desk, started testing the veggies prepared for the barbecue. Even birthday boy wasn't spared as the work was intense too. To be honest, it was more intense than it seemed. We thought it's a barbecue party, it wouldn't take much long, but it was as intense as a normal hosted party. But the workload is shared amongst everyone. So some got potatoes, some got mushroom, some were planning of getting pineapples, but it was shared. जल गया
मतलब तेरा काम सही नहीं था।
हाँ, डाल दे अच्छा सिला। These barbecue parties aren't just about some meat or vegetables, it's also often about drinking a lot of your favorite summer drinks. We had many options out there, from beer, wine, fresh fruit juices, soda, and multiple other options.
In the end, all these veggies were prepared. Preparation work was intense, as I said. So we couldn't shoot
ये बहुत
video
मस्त
during
दिख
the
रहा
preparation, and
है मशरूम। These barbecue parties are mostly loved by women because you don't have to go to kitchen, and they are such where men have to get involved and do a lot of small tiny tasks that often are overseen when in kitchen.
फरहान जिंदा
भाई सब खाना स्टार्ट करते हैं।
चले
यस बस इतना ही सुनना था सब भूखे थे तो at one point we all started eating and the landlord was really kind too who not only joined the barbecue but added more fun to the party मतलब हर दिन एक मेन्यू रहता है
हाँ
और उनका नॉर्मल मेन्यू तो रहता ही है कुछ भी मंगाओ चीयर्स
आलू में तो कौन खा रही हूँ
मैं हेल्दी खा रहा हूँ।
आलू हेल्दी है।
नहीं, ये अनप्रोसेस्ड है, प्रोसेस्ड है।
It's true. I'm telling you the truth. I've got about a little bit salty.
This was the fun that my husband was talking
citron-y,
about when he said
like a lemon.
owner added a lot of fun.
Cheers. Go for it.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome. Happy birthday to our friend.
धार्मिक।
इतने सब में एक्चुअल रिचुअल भूल ही गए थे, केक काटना। हम सब गेस्ट्स तो चले गए, बट इसके बाद क्या हुआ ये तो वही जाने।